So, I wonder how long it will be before the girls figure out that the boy is already eating. Oh, girl 2. What is he doing? Oh, yeah, girlfriend. Do you two over here understand what's going on yet? Oh, no, you are not acting like that. These other two are still like, What a mean little witch. Little puppies. Oh, look at it. Girl 2 just taking all the chicken out for herself. Got yourself 2 pieces, huh? Alrighty. This one's eating the pool. This one is wondering, oh. Come on, little whoopies. Oh, there we go. Oh. Everybody's in action. Alright, that's about all the fun. Everybody's figured out they got a piece. So they're pretty much just going to chew for a while.